Just quickly, in your opening statement, you've raised an example about how the ANU is falling short in their workplace relations obligations, and specifically the underpayment of casual staff in the computing labs. Can you talk us through that scenario and the consequences, and what the consequences are for the staff and students?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is in the College of Systems and Society, which is a new name, but the School of Computing is one of the schools there. Basically, what's happened there are 2-hour labs, and the tutors that are teaching those 2-hour labs have been instructed in writing from their supervisors to only claim 1.5 hours of payment for those labs, and to consider the last half hour of those classes as consultation, which is covered in the preparation time for that class that they're actually in at the time. So, I mean, it's a pretty, they've received pretty unambiguous written directions to claim that, and that's with some of the worst examples you see across the economy in terms of being instructed to claim less than you're working. But there's also an important governance aspect to that. So basically what happens is courses are set in terms of delivery time. So you might have, in these classes often it's a 1-hour lecture and then a 2-hour lab. And that goes through a series of approvals, often in college education committees and those sorts of things. So it's the academic sort of governance side of universities. So it's not open to individual unit supervisors, for example, to change that, to say we're going to change the delivery time. And that has important potential consequences for students as well. Not only are they not getting what they enrolled for in terms of delivery time, but if you think of international students, they have very strict attendance requirements. That affects their visa. So if you're telling an international student you only need to attend 75% of a class and their attendance requirement is 80%, then there are important governance considerations and international student considerations. So what's happening in that situation is either 1, the university is underpaying its staff, 2, the university is saying the wrong thing to students and they're not getting what they've signed up for, or 3, both of those things at once.